So tonight's put on by Driving Solutions. These guys run all sorts of events down here, most days of the week. And one of the brilliant things about this is you can take a street registered car like Paige's GT3 here and have a crack. Oh, it's a very serious car. It looks very much as Porsche intended. You guys haven't really done a whole lot to this to get it track ready.
Nah, we took it out pretty standard for the first few times and it's been just great. Straight off the block was just insane. So it was really good to just not have kind of any real preparation for it. You could just take it here, track it, and for it to be amazing.
Yeah, which is fantastic. And I think motorsport or track time is very daunting for a lot of newcomers because there's this misconception that you need to have a fully prepared race car or anything like that. But as you yourself have experienced, you can come down here with a street car and have a go. Driving Solutions, I understand, offer driver training at events like this as well. Is that correct?
Yeah, they do. So you can get instructors in the car throughout your session, and they'll go through some really simple things if you're just starting off, all the way to where my brother's at the moment, super experienced, and they'll really fine tune some things. They're really good in the car for whatever level you're at.
Hopefully we'll see you on track.
Yeah, see you then.